back here. A little bumpy in the car, but that's okay. Matrix can handle it. Sure is pretty. Cleared section from the loggers, I guess. The sound of the north. The loon. Can't see him yet, but he's over there somewhere with the seagulls. Beautiful day. Good day, everyone. What a great day. Another great weekend up north, Lake of Bays area. This beautiful, beautiful lake, beautiful day. It's time to get ready to pack up. So that's what I'm doing. Make sure the site is clean. There's no garbage left. I picked up everything. There wasn't much here when I got here. Only a few little tiny things, which I'm grateful for. Thank you. And some wood left the bench the way it is. Somebody took the time to build it, so leave it here. And the poker stick too. Gotta leave the poker stick. Anyways, yeah, makeshift bench here with the log. Hate to say goodbye, but you know, but this is a beautiful site. Just gorgeous. Not a lot of sunlight, a lot of trees, but protected from the rain big time. Nice soft ground, very soft. Awesome to sleep on. But nice cool breeze coming through from there out to the lake there. And yeah, it's a great site. I'm glad I got to this one this time, marked it off, and I'll be back. Yes. Now it's time to load up. Tent is ready to come down. That tent's ready to come down. It's gonna take the table out, garbage up, bring everything up to the car. The car's way up there. Anyways, yeah, let's get loaded up. All right, first load in the car. Now, I'll take you for a walk to where the site is from the car. It's the road here, that way. And then the site is right here. Follow the trail. Steep part of hill here. And the rest is downhill from here. So that's the site. It's a great site. Oh, that breeze is nice. So you could put a hammocks here if you want. A couple tents. There's a site there for a tent. Another spot right here for a small tent, or here for a small tent. It's a good site. I like it. The only thing is, this is full sun right now. So, not a lot of sunlight. You get some coming through the trees, but not a lot. So if you got to dry things out on a wet day, it's a little tough. Anyways, there's lots of spaces that you can go dry stuff out. Like up by the road. You can hang a line up there and dry your stuff out there.